We've come a long way since floppy disks and AOL Instant Messenger.
Yes, I remember when going online meant your home phone line was busy. But who even owns a home phone anymore?
And who can recall when a debate over dinner didn't end in Wikipedia?
But that's the beauty of it, right? Limitless information at your fingertips.
So it begs the question, how big is the internet?
Well, after months of academic research, I would say really, really big.
Well, I know. Let's Google it.
Those are some staggering data points.
Yes, it's really no wonder Professor Canlian wanted us to have a digital capstone. The business landscape really has been transformed by digital.
So let's Google the digital transformation of business. Remember how you used to plan a family vacation? There's no more need for people or paper.
Forget extensive collections of CDs, cassette tapes, or records. Music prowess is determined by scanning your iTunes account or streaming music online.
And remember this? Well, of course you do. But it's no longer the only way you get your news information. Today, everything is on demand and streamed right to your mobile phone or to your tablet.
Are you reminiscing about balancing your checkbook or driving to your local bank branch to withdraw cash? I doubt it. Online accounts for the end of banker's hours and the beginning of 24/7 access.
It's just incredible how businesses have been transformed.
But what about us? I just got my iPad mini 6 months ago, and I can't imagine my life without it.
Just your iPad mini. I can't live without my laptop, mobile, tablet, or e-reader.
It's so true. I'm basically married to my iPhone. So why don't we Google, how has digital changed the way we live?
I heard you on the wireless back in 52. Lying awake in 10 night tuning in on you. If I was young, it didn't stop you coming through. Let's go. They took the credit for your second symphony. Written by machine and new technology. And now I understand the problems you can see. Unless you're children.
That's our cue.
Adrian and Lauren have to go get ready. In the meantime, let me Google digital analytics. Interesting search results. Let's get started.